Happy birthday to me. Loyal to Lilo. Thank you to everybody who greeted me. I love you all so much. And pati na rin sa mga hindi pumati sa akin. Thank you all.
Gabby Concepcion may sweet birthday message sa kanyang ex-wife na si Sharon Cuneta. Nitong Lunes, January 6 ay masayang nagdiwang ng kanyang ika-59th birthday si megastar Sharon Cuneta. Isang simple at intimate birthday dinner ang naganap sa kanila mismong tahanan kasama ang kanyang buong pamilya. Bumuhos naman ng pagbati mula sa mga fans at netizens ang kanyang kaarawan. Isa sa mga bumati sa kanya ang kanyang ex-husband na si Gabby Concepcion. Sa Instagram nito ay naghandog ito ng isang maikli at matamis na birthday message kalakip ang larawan nila together na siya namang kinakiligan ng kanilang mga fans. Samantala, hindi din nagpahuli sa mga bumati sa kaarawan ni Sharon Cuneta ang kanilang anak ni Gabby Concepcion na si Casey Concepcion. Sa social media accounts ni Casey ay nagpahayag ito ng kanyang matamis na birthday message para sa ina. Kalakip ang mensahe ay nagbahagi din ito ng iilang throwback pictures at videos nila together. Narito ang naging buong mensahe ni Casey Concepcion sa kanyang ina na si Sharon, aniya. Happy birthday to the woman who was always my sunshine growing up, my first best friend, my first Valentine, my secret Santa, my first idol, my one and only. We've been through a lot together, but like a sunflower, you always manage to turn towards the light, and now, you show me how to do the same. I love you, my beautiful mama. Happy birthday, Sharon Cuneta.
Happy birthday to me. Loyal to Lilo. Thank you to everybody who greeted me. I love you all so much. And pati na rin sa mga hindi pumati sa akin. Thank you also. Lots of love. Love you all. God bless you. Happy New Year.
Hi po, Tita Sharon. Happy birthday. I love you po. And I miss you po. Bye-bye.
Nagulat ako, hindi ko alam. Pag-uwi ko, when I was in ABS yesterday and then I was dressing up.
Na-stress ka lang ata kay Gabby.
Hindi naman.
Kumain.
Hi everybody! I'm live again. Finally. Kasi I'm working today. I'm shooting a commercial. I just wanted to say hello to all of you habang inayusan ako ni B. Si TF. Bani maganda dali. Sabi mo naman para makasagot ako. Kasi, sige na.
Ganda mo, madam, ngayon.
I know, right? Actually, kaibiganin yung ginaya ko lang. How are you all? Ba't ang quiet nyo? Take na po, direct.
I was just waiting for that.
I'm so, for the bag. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm shooting a commercial, so nahiya ako bigla nag-quiet lahat. Hi, how are all of you? Thank you so much. Hindi
Nagko-comment
makabahas
ako sa
na.
live
So,
mo. Nandito din ako.
nagko-comment. Ay, nakita ko.
Ito. Live stream, live time, real time.
Katabi ko. Hi, Sean. Hi.
Ay, talaga.
Sorry, na-snort.
Ay, nako siya.
Hi, everybody. I just want to say I love you. I can't stay long, and I can't read because my glasses aren't with me. But I love you. I've missed all of you. And I want to thank you because I've been back to work since yesterday. I'm still jet lagging, but it's okay because blessings, diba? So we're busy with the ABS-CBN Christmas special also, but today I'm shooting a commercial. So I just wanted to say hi and check in with you, and I love you all. God bless you. I will try to get back to you soon, okay? Love you guys. Please take care and have a great, great day. Happy weekend. How do you, there? Sorry. Nalimot ko.
How do you end?